the up, then this male leaving Lewis Creek to Ardglen with a green signal. Male departing Ardglen with the green signal in the block ahead. Changing to red as it enters the block. The up starting signals at Pangella, still at green, suggesting the head of block is clear. Creek down goods departing Murrurundi with the green signal. Yep, male approaching Pangella. Passing the Pangella signal box. He has to stop at the up starting signal as the block between Pangella and Murrurundi is occupied. The operator of the down goods can see the male in the loop, so he sets his road through Pangella's loop. Point has not been changed, so the signal is stopped, so the train must stop. Changes his point. Now he can move towards Ardglen. Now the signal is at red. The operator of the male changes his point. And his signal goes to green for the next section, and he's allowed to depart.